One scientific invention can change the whole world forever. Namaste.
India has a great heritage of science and technology. Our Indian Vedas and scripts have become the foundation of modern science and technology. Many scientists, astronomers, astrologers, mathematicians, and engineers contribute to advance this technology and science sector of India.
Do you know the significance of 28th February? It's a day of pride for us and our nation, as this day holds a special position in our history, and thus we observe it as National Science Day. On this day in the year 1928, India's prominent scientist Sir C.V. Raman discovered the Raman effect,
and he became the first Asian Indian to receive the prestigious Nobel Prize in 1930 in the field of physics. He was born on November 7, 1888 in Tiruchirappalli, Madras Residency, now Tamil Nadu. He did his bachelor's and master's in physics from Presidency College in Madras. He also got a government job, but even after that, he participated in many science competitions. Later, he got a scholarship from the government for his role in the field of science. After working on diversified fields from the harmonic nature of tabla and mridangam to the optical behavior in many pigmented materials, he received highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, in 1954. He took his last breath on November 21, 1970 at the age of 82 due to cardiac arrest.
Let us learn about Raman effect. Raman effect, commonly known as Raman scattering, can be easily understandable if the incident light is considered as photons, whose energy is proportional to the frequency. When they strike the molecule of sample, most of them are scattered with unchanged frequency and energy. However, on some occasion, there is an exchange of energy between the molecules and photons, which results in either higher or lowering the temperature. This change in frequency is the measure of amount of energy involved in transition, initial and final states of scattering molecule.
Raman effect, though sounds complicated and complex, finds its importance in a variety of applications. It shows the chemical components distribution and the purity of raw materials in medicinal tablets. It is also very useful in finding the quality of diamonds and gemstones, and also used in detecting explosives, hazardous chemicals and gases. It is also used in finding the composition of cancer. To commemorate the invention of Raman effect, today we observe National Science Day, and the theme of this year is the future of science, technology and innovation, and the impact on education, skills and work. It's our responsibility to honor this great man and his invention by contributing to the field of science through innovations.
Our culture of nation, our pride. Proud to be an Indian.